Open any browser and then go to brew.sh, this URL, to go to Homebrew website. And once you are here, then we have to scroll down a little bit and we'll see a long line. So this is the installation command for Homebrew. Open the Spotlight search and then type terminal on the Spotlight search and then hit return key of your keyboard to open the terminal. Now go to the Homebrew website to copy the command for the installation. Just click there and the whole command will be copied. Now paste in the terminal. So I'm going to paste it and hit return key of your keyboard. To install Homebrew, we need to type our computer password. I am going to type my password and then I hit the return key, and then this type of prompt will be appeared. We have to press return key one more time to start the installation. So I'm going to hit enter and then we have to wait. It will take few minutes, like 2 minutes to 3 minutes to complete the installation. So don't close the window till it finish the installation. Sometimes you will see or you will feel that the screen is frozen, but it's not frozen or nothing like that. It is trying to install everything. Just wait till the time you get the confirmation message that installation successful. Once the installation is successful, you will find this message, installation successful. Now it's ready to use the Homebrew for your computer or Mac. So we can test whether it is working properly or not by writing or typing some simple command like brew help, like that. So I'm going to type that command to check whether the brew is working properly or not. So I started brew, then a space, then help, and then I'm going to hit enter key or return key. And if it works properly, then we'll find this type of thing. And if we want to list all the packages, we can check brew list. And right now we don't have anything, that's why it's empty. But if we want to install, we can type the command brew install node, then it will start node installation. But I'm not going to install this thing. My goal was to show you how to install brew or homebrew on your Mac. Thanks for watching the video.